So today we're going to be looking at a very important pronoun, le pronom y, the Y pronoun. You're going to be seeing this a lot as you read French text, so it's important we handle this today. So the Y as an adverbial pronoun, it can replace a place or the object of the preposition a. So we're going to be handling this in two parts. First of all, how does it replace a place? Secondly, how does it function as the object of the preposition a? So in the first part, it can replace a place. First sentence, first example. On mange quoi dans ce restaurant? That is, what do we eat in this restaurant? Answer. On y mange des frites. That is, we eat fries there. So the word there is being represented by this Y. By functioning as there, it is replacing restaurant, replacing the word restaurant.
C'est pas la peine de le répéter.
No need to repeat it again because it has been replaced by the pronoun y, which means there. Second sentence. Je vais à la classe. Je vais à la classe. That is, I go to class. Second statement. J'y vais. J'y vais. This means I am going there. So y is this there. No need to repeat class again. I'm going there. So this is pronounced as y, j'y vais, y. And the last sentence. Je suis à Enugu. Je suis à Enugu. J'y suis. I am there. I am there. Y is replacing Enugu. So no need to repeat Enugu. J'y suis. So the y has a locational element, replaces locations there. Let's proceed. So the second component of our first definition, y, the Y can also replace objects of the preposition a. Let's see some examples. Nous sommes allés à ShopRite. We went to ShopRite. Nous y sommes allés. We went there. So y is replacing ShopRite. Nous y sommes allés. We went there. Je pense à ta décision. J'y pense tout le temps. So I think about your decision. I think about it all the time. A decision, your decision, being replaced by y. So let's go back to the definition. It replaces object of the preposition a. So see the a here. The object of this preposition is ShopRite because nous sommes allés à ShopRite. Nous sommes allés à où? At where? ShopRite. And as we said here, it replaces object of the preposition a. So which it does excellently well here. Nous y sommes allés. Y representing ShopRite once again. Second sentence. Je pense à ta décision. Je pense à quoi? What are you thinking of? Ta décision. So in the second sentence, y is now replacing the object of a, ta décision. Ta décision is no more mentioned again here. J'y pense tout le temps. I think about it all the time. Let's proceed. The pronoun Y may be used to direct the intent of a verb to a noun. That is, it can be used to direct. Make sure that the intent is pinpoint on the noun. Let's look at some examples. Le travail serait terminé, tout pays compté. So in this case, you're going to notice that there's an element of it in the examples we are going to make. So it, most times, is the word, the English translation of the word replacing the main noun in the first sentence. Let me not confuse you. Let's just look at examples. Le travail sera terminé tout pays compté. The work will be finished. You can count on it. You can count. You can count on it. So the word on it is being represented by this Y. You can count on it. Second example. Le projet serait réussi. Tu peux t'y fier. Tu peux t'y fier. The project will be a success. You can count on it. So you can. This means to be proud. Well, at the end of the day, it can also be translated to this. You can count on it. You can count on it. So let's get back. So we have you can proud. So what does this signify here? This ye means on it. It means on it. So you can be proud of it. Not on. Let's change this to off. You can be proud of it. So that's that for now. That's that for the adverbial pronoun Y.